If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to protect your doors and walls, the Ives by Schlage 70A10B Hinge pin doorstop is worth considering. It's designed specifically for hinged doors where a standard doorstop might not fit or look right. This model stands out because it's made for narrow trim installations, making it ideal for tight spaces where traditional doorstops could be bulky or inconvenient. The slim profile ensures it blends in without getting in the way, preserving the clean look of your door frame. One of the key benefits is the high-quality rubber bumper. Unlike cheaper options, this doorstop features a shoulder on the stub that supports the rubber through its entire body. That means engineered cushioning that absorbs impact better and lasts longer, protecting both your door and wall from damage. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. Many users find it easier to install than other doorstops sold at home improvement stores. Once in place, it holds up well, even on frequently used doors like pantry or closet doors, which see constant opening and closing. If you want a no-frills doorstop that simply works without fuss, this model delivers. It doesn't come with extra features or complicated parts, but it doesn't need to. The focus is on durability and function, which is exactly what matters most for this kind of product. Worth a look if you want a reliable, affordable solution for door protection. It's a practical choice that keeps your walls safe while maintaining a neat appearance. Plus, it's backed by the trusted Ives by Schlage brand, known for quality hardware. If that's you, someone who values straightforward, dependable home hardware, try the Ives by Schlage 70A10B Hinge pin doorstop when you're ready. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in everyday convenience and protection. In short, this hinge pin doorstop combines smart design with solid materials to deliver consistent performance. It's a simple fix that helps prevent damage and extends the life of your doors and walls. A quiet but effective addition to any home.